Hi, welcome to a Catia V5 video tutorial. I will do a Ringspanner and I will do this Ringspanner in all other programs as well. Let's start as usual with a sketch on the XY plane. Hide as usual the yellow projected elements, and I need a circle. This one should be constrained to the x-axis and to the y-axis, and the diameter should be 35. Now I need some reference elements. This one would be a plane with an offset from a plane, from this one 7 mm, and another one from the same but in a different direction, again 7. Okay, now I want to split this circle, so let's go to the curves and I want to split it in two parts and keep both sides, and okay. So now I got this one and I got this one. Now I will go for a sweep. It's a circular, no, it's not a circular one. It's a line type with draft direction. First guide curve is this one. Draft direction should be the normal to this plane, and the angle should be 15, and I want to go for this solution. That's okay, but it should be controlled by a law which is linear, and it goes to minus 15 degrees. Close, and it should go up to this plane. Let's make a preview, yes, and confirm it. And another one with the same guide curve. Draft direction is the same, but I go for this solution, and it's constant, so I need not a law, and it should go up to this plane. Preview and okay. Then I need the same two surfaces on the other side, so I go to symmetry, this one by that plane, and this one by that plane, and okay. I need another sketch on that plane. Hide these elements as usual, and this sketch should look something like this. Okay, so there should be a distance which should be 7 millimeters. There should be a distance 33.5. There should be an angle which should be 75. This should be another angle which goes by 5 degrees. This one should be parallel to this one, and there should be another angle, again 75 degrees, and the distance should be 33.5 again. This distance should be 325 minus 70.5 minus 20. Okay. This might be coincident on this axis, but it's not necessary, so I will delete it and just, no, it's coincident on this one. Okay, and then I need a point which is right on this one. Should be for construction purpose only. Should be coincident on this, and the distance should be 17.5. This should be 20. And I need some fillets. So I want to have a fillet right here. Which could be 1. This might be 12.5, and this might be 18. Okay. I need parts of this sketch. Oh, there should be another one. There you go. This one should be 5. Yes. I will make a copy, and paste. I will go back to sketch 2 and I will use my user selection filter. I just want to change these lines to construction elements and these as well. Deselect user selection filter. So there should be only this line. Yes, great. Then I want to make an extrude with this sketch. Extrude, make it with mirrored extend, and it should be 17 altogether. Nice. Okay, I want to use some sweeps here. You could do it with a profile and an extrude. Doesn't really matter, but I want to use these. It's one with a circular subtype and should be limit curve and tangency surface. The limit curve would be this edge, tangency surface would be this surface, radius should be 4.5, and the angle should be 0 degree and 90 degree. Let's make a preview. So I need a different solution, so I go for minus 90 degree make a preview. That's more like it. And confirm. Then I want to make use of symmetry, and I want to have this surface, not the edge, but the complete surface. Best to select it in the tree. I want this sweep symmetric on the other side. And I just noticed this extrude should be not 17 but 17 divided by 2. That's more like it. Then I need some extracts. So these are curves. I could join first this one, join the sweep, the symmetry and the extrude, and confirm it. Now let's make an extract. And tangent continuity and okay. Then I need half of this edge and half of that edge, so I will make another extract from this edge and another one from this edge. Then I want to split it and join it, or join it and split it, whatever you want. First, maybe it's better to join them and then split it like this, and then split it by this plane. Close, maybe keep both sides, and okay. So might change the color of these extracts. So this one, that extract, maybe I choose this color like this, and the split should be the same color. You can use the painter brush. First select objects to be painted, then select the reference. Okay, now I can do a blend, so go there, and there's the blend from this extract to that split. Give as first support the join, and I need another join, so I create a join right here. Is this surface plus this surface, and okay, and okay. Maybe change this to a different view style. Nice. Okay, I will need another plane, so I want to have a plane which is normal to a curve, and the curve is sketch 2, and the default point should be not the middle point, but I want to use a end point. Okay, then I need another sketch. This should be on this plane. Hide the yellow elements, and this one should look maybe like this. Yes, there should be an angle of 75 degrees. This one should be an angle of 5 degrees. Radius should be 18, and this point should be in that plane. Yes, and this should be on that curve, especially on that point. So it's possible to cut it. Yes, there's the point, and this one and that one should be coincident. Yeah. And I would need something else, another plane. I usually won't do it like this because I don't want to use edges for a reference element, but it's faster to do it like this. And now I can use symmetry. To mirror this join. Yep. And I could do already an extract right here. Okay. And then I go back to my sketch 4 and I can cut this extract with a sketch plane. So I got this point, and this point should be on that point and coincident. Nice. I want to do a multi-section surface with this extract to this one. Change the direction, that's okay. Make a preview, that's okay. Now give it this as support, and let's check if this is already connected. Seems not to be connected, so I should check this one and that one should be joined. Yeah. And now I can do a multi-section surface with this profile, change the direction, give it a support here, give it a support there, and two guides, this guide and that guide, and give it as support this one and the other one, this one. Make a preview. Yeah, and I need another guide because I made the sketch. Add this. Okay. So I got a nice surface right here. From this point on, I will do two different versions of this Ringspanner. First the more easy one and then a more complex one. So first the easy one. Therefore I need another sketch. And it's again on this plane. Hide the elements which are yellow and projected. Okay, and this should look something like this. There should be a radius of 5, and there should be a radius of 18. Again, there is an angle. This time it's 70. This one is 5 degrees again. Let's move it up a little bit here like this. And in this case the distance should be 7, and this point should be on that plane or axis coincident, and again I want to have reference point. This is for construction purpose only, and this point should be on this. Yes. And this will not be ISO constrained, so I can leave it and now make an extrude with the sketch. Make it mirrored and make it, let's say, 25. Still one sketch missing. Oh, this extrude should be, of course, in this geometrical set. So let's make another sketch again on this plane. And hide these elements. And this should be something like this. It goes just like this, and this should be an axis. Yes. And there should be a distance, maybe 65, doesn't matter. There should be an angle, 30 degrees. This should have a distance of 9.375. This should be 12.65. This should be 12.65 as well, and there should be another angle, 30 degrees, and this one should be 80 degrees. Yeah, this should be on this axis coincident, and distance should be 7. So nice. Okay. And this should be, nope. save the sketch and let's make a revolution, revolve it, this one, and confirm it. Oh, this revolution should be not 180 but 360 degrees. Then I want to join some surfaces. This one, that one, this one, that one, this and this. I think that's all, yeah. Give it a different color, then you can easily check if you got all the necessary. Oh, see, I forgot one. So this should be joined as well. Nope. Now I got it. Yeah. Okay. Next I want to trim. Therefore I have to change this extrude a little bit. So let's go to sketch. I think it's sketch 5, yeah. And maybe make this a construction line. And now try to trim it. Trim this one with that surface. And make a preview. Yes, that's okay. And now I would have to trim this one with the same, and I have to turn this around, so I need the other side next element. No, that's the one. Yes, that's it. And then let's take a look. I have to change this sketch as well. Make this one for construction only and that one for construction only. Yeah, that's nice. And then trim again. And I want to trim this surface with that trim. Yeah, it's okay. So I want to trim this one with this one. That looks correct. And I'm almost done with my surfaces, because I told you I will make a simple one here. So I could hide the sketches. Yeah, maybe the curves as well, for the moment at least. Yeah. I need 2 more extracts. Yeah. Something was selected, so make sure that nothing is selected. And then I make a blend from this one to that one. Okay. And then I could close this. So I go to my part body, go to part design, and close this surface. Then I could hide the surfaces altogether. Yes. And you would have to do almost the same on the other end. So I want to pattern this because it's convenient, and I just need another plane. I go back to generative shape design, and I want to make a plane, normal through normal to curve, and sketch 2, that's the center of the line, that's okay. And then where is my plane? It should be in a different geometrical set right here, then it's visible. And I go for the easy way because it's fast again. I make an intersection between this one and that one, and then I get a reference element for the pattern, and I want to pattern the whole body, so go for a circular one. Yes, make it complete crown, make it 2 instances, and the reference element should be the intersect, and okay. And this intersect should be probably in the reference elements. Yeah. Now I need another sketch. This should be probably on that plane. Make it a rectangle. You could delete these references, but you can leave it right there because this is quicker to do. Symmetry line should be this one, and another symmetry line should be that one, and the dimension is 160, and this one is 8. So what's missing? Leave the sketch, make a pocket, make it through all, which means up to last in both directions. Then use a tree tangent fillet, this surface, that surface, and this one should be removed, and another one here, there, and there. And then use the sketch again and make a block, mirror extend, and make it just 3.5. And this is the simple version of the Ringspanner. You could hide all these elements and the axis system as well, and apply some material. So go to, let's take titanium, apply it. Okay, switch to a different view mode with material, and it looks like this. That's the simple version. So hope you enjoyed this video. I will do a more complex one, and I will do this one in, as far as possible, in all the other programs. Bye bye, see you next time.